Alrighty, welcome back everybody. So this is gonna start another video here. We're just gonna.
Okay, you sure you're gonna start another video with that?
No, it will.
Okay.
So we are actually gonna go start laundry because they have a super nice laundry room. And look at this. Everything is dirty.
Literally, even our comforters are
So
in there.
we're gonna head up here, start some laundry. Carly decided she wanted to be in the stroller. So we're gonna start some laundry and get some coffee, and then
You're gonna redo that audio.
I'm not sure what we're gonna do today.
You're gonna redo that audio.
Nah, it's all right. But we're gonna head up here.
We're gonna go shopping today and find a bookstore is what we're gonna do today. I'll answer that for you.
We're gonna head up here, find some coffee and start our laundry, whatnot, all that good stuff, and then see what else we can get into today. And then I think we're gonna hang around the campground tomorrow. We'll see. It's a super nice campground. What are you doing? So that little cart has been, we did a reel about it earlier in the year. That thing is so helpful. So we haven't done laundry in 2 weeks. And we just took up 5 washing machines. There's still 3 left. Don't roast me in the comments. I didn't take them all. There's still 3 washers left.
This is on a day that everybody is leaving.
Yeah, I did it on Monday. This is Labor.
Everyone is leaving. All of our neighbors are gone.
This is Labor Day Monday. Everyone's leaving. We are here for another 5 days. But look.
Sure that's not my shirt?
I don't know. Might be.
I have a green note on my shirt.
Oh, then it's probably yours. But so, look at this laundry room though, because this is
my shirt.
This is put in the cart then. This is probably the.
This is my shirt. I have this exact color.
This is legitimately the nicest laundry room I have ever seen at a campground. So they've got the change machine, they've got washers, big washers, some more washers there, washers, and then this whole wall is dryers. And then Carly's in the laundry room.
Let me tell you, this would be an ASMR video I'd listen to on repeat. The sound of my laundry going.
Look, so
I don't know why.
see, I didn't use this one. We have this one. I didn't use these. We're
Although we
using
probably
these.
should have just used the big
We're
later
using
washer.
these.
Can you hear me?
Well, they're not that big.
Well, and then we couldn't have sorted by color.
They're not that big.
We couldn't have sorted by
Yeah,
color.
we sorted it all by colors, black, white.
We're probably the only millennials that still do that.
Yeah, but we sorted everything in all 5, like we have bedding in one, and it's like, yeah. So, okay, we're gonna go to the camp store. So we got back from the laundry, and we did do something in the trailer. We mounted this little guy up here. We didn't want to do like the state sticker to the actual side of the trailer, because it can't go with us. So we just mounted this little push pin board, basically. It's a little felt board. And, but we're gonna start scratching off like Ohio, and right now we're in Tennessee. We're gonna be in Kentucky on the way back, but it's gonna be cool. We're gonna be able to track everything. So I'm gonna go back and pick up the laundry again too. All right, so we got back from the grocery store and Lauren went to a bookstore.
I did.
So we just got back and we went past the lazy river. They have a lazy river here on their pool. And we just decided we gotta go. So,
Head up the hill.
but we, Carly's in her little wagon.
Her chariot.
So Princess Carly is in her chariot. We are gonna head up to the pool and swim a little bit before it gets dark, hopefully. But man, those cicadas are so loud. So we walked into the little camp store there to get a drink first, and look what Carly.
Can you give a shout out to that guy that just made her day?
Yeah, so look what Carly found, and then can I see your cup? Can you show this? Can you show everyone your cup? It has Moana on it. She got this little apple juice that has Moana on the top, and she wanted it, so I had to take it away to pay for it. She got mad, and then this guy in the camp store said, "Hey, come here, I want to show you something cool." And he walked out.
Mom with her.
Yeah, with mom, and they walked outside and saw his service dog, which is a really pretty dog. So that was cool. But I love this camper. Look at this thing.
Oh, you done?
Holy moly!
Right to the pool, right to the pool.
Look at that.
Hey, yeah, we're coming. This way.
That is a bus. Nice. So we're here at the pool. They have a lazy river and a swimming pool area, and we're gonna enjoy this evening. I don't even know if you can see this, but look at these freaking mountain views. Look at those views. Look at those mountains off in the distance.
You just sit in the pool and look at the mountains. Girlie, come on.
That is cool.
Come on,
All right, time to get in the pool. Uh-oh. Collision.
She really likes it when it goes, the current picks up.
Smile. We're floating. She's so cold. All Are you cold? I know. This is cool. I've never been in a campground with a lazy river. So we went in and bought pool floats. Because it was worth it.
You might be better off to climb on the...
I have no directional control. I have no directional control. You can kick me out of the way. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You having fun? The green light looks cool.
I wish it was color changing.
I like the floats. The floats are a good add to our little garage that's in the truck. We like our floats now. Whoa, wavy action. Surprisingly, they weren't that expensive. I think it was like 20 bucks and the little one was 10 bucks or something like that. So we purchased these guys and we're gonna definitely use them again. Tomorrow when it's nice and warm outside, we're gonna hop in the lazy river over here again. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. We're enjoying our last day here at the campground, aren't we? Huh.
Yeah, unfortunately.
We've got our floats. We're gonna head up to the lazy river in the pool and enjoy some pool time.
Warm enough for it.
It's nice and warm right now. It's definitely high 80s. So
she's giggling at the wagon.
Carly's in the wagon. We're headed up to the pool. Carly loves her wagon rides. Time for some pool time in the sun.
She's just giggling.
So now we all three have floats. Carly's got her little unicorn floaty. Mom's got palm trees and I've got rainbow. Carly! Carly's hit the rip current. Look at her. There she is. Wow, you really sped up. Seriously, what campground has a freaking lazy river? Apparently Margaritaville has one too. But that's a campground we may have to try. Best pool ever. Nobody's topped this pool yet. We'll see. We got the whole country to go. So they've also got this beautiful little patio area and fire pit area. Look at this. This is so cool. And then the fire pit there. There's a hot tub over there. They've even got an air compressor over there for you to blow up your floats. So one thing they've also got, aside from the lazy river, is they got an actual pool area too with a fountain. There's a fountain over there and then the pool there. It's the nicest pool area we've ever seen. That's for sure. Well, it's been a hot minute since I've had the Traeger out. So we got her all fired up. We're gonna do some chicken wings. So we're gonna cook these chicken wings for like an early dinner. We're gonna try to go to the pool later and stuff, but I really hope it's not gonna rain. But yeah, we're gonna put these chicken wings on here. It's what, 2.5 pounds? Yeah, 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. So we're gonna cook these bad boys up for dinner. So anyone who's not from Ohio or Midwestern states can tell me, is this a thing for other people? Do you sit and watch storms?
I didn't realize that wasn't a thing for...
It's a Midwestern thing. I don't know if it's everywhere though. We're just, there's some thunder. Everything's huddled under the awning. We got the smoker over there.
I mean, I think it's a thing for us because a lot of us have hills.
Yeah.
In the Midwest, we don't really have to worry about them as much.
But smoker's over there underneath the awning. All the bikes and everything sitting here. We're just chilling. I'm gonna hold the awning, I guess, if I have to. But
we need tie-down straps.
we have them.
For awning.
We do. We have a tie-down kit.
I mean, in reality, we're in the mountains right now. Like, what? Can we really get a tornado right here?
Probably not. But I don't know.
I mean, I know places in Tennessee do have tornadoes, but I mean, we're literally in the mountains.
It cooled off a ton, so we're just chilling here. I'm eating some burritos.
You're chilling, I'm working.
And the chicken wings are on, so I'm gonna throw them in some sauce a little bit too. What's wrong? You wanna go inside? Can we stay here for a minute? Or chill for a bit? All right, well, as you can probably hear with the rain, we had to move Cooking with Chris inside, but some honey barbecue sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. Toss these things in. They have been cooking for about half hour, 45 minutes already. They're looking good. Got them tossed in some sauce right now. I'm gonna go put them back on the smoker for another hour or so and make sure they come up to temp and everything, but hope the rain stops soon. All right, well, about 2 hours total, probably 2.5 hours at about 300 degrees. Lauren already tried several of them. They were good. I had a few. They were really good. But these are just tossed in some barbecue sauce. There you go. Nothing crazy. Chicken wings are always a good thing, though. Just a little bit of barbecue. There's lots of sauces you can toss them in, obviously. I don't like anything spicy. No one really does in our family. But yeah, no, we're still hiding out because it's raining a little bit. But I'm going to make some tea and relax. And hopefully it'll be able to go outside a little bit later.
Normally we clean up right away, but Bailey pooped this morning. He's racing to go get a poop bag so we don't leave him. What are you doing?
Poop bags. You ready?
No,
No, I like this spot.
not at all. I'm not.
I'm sad leaving this spot.
Sorry.
This is a great spot. All right, on we go.